Okay, babies, huh? Time to settle down a little. Get some rest. Okay? Have a little different environment, huh? A little something different to explore. A little exploration time. Oh boy, huh? Oh boy. Looks like fun. Oh, well, don't get too challenged. I haven't fixed that yet. Okay. Should have known. Okay, here we go, babe. Come on, let me fix it. Here. Here, kid. Here we go, baby. Come on. Come on. Here we go. You're okay. You're okay. Okay, there, see? Found your way up. Yeah, little brother found a way on top of you, huh? Okay. This is follow the leader, huh? This is follow the leader. Who's the leader, huh? Okay. I hear somebody barking. Who's barking? Who's barking? Aren't you cute? You are just about too cute, aren't you? You're so sweet. Oh, okay. Okay, good, huh? You're just about too cute and too sweet, huh? You all are very cute and very sweet. I couldn't pick which one I like the most because you all are so cute and so sweet. Look. Oops, let's get you all in here. All of you, kinda, sorta. Yes, you're all in the picture now. Okay, kids. And you too. And here you come, little blue. Hi, little blue. Hi, baby blue. Okay, look at all the babes, huh? Oh, Mags. Maggie says, what they doing? Okay, is everybody safe? Here comes Dad. There's Dad. Dad says, oh boy, are they safe? Check it out, Dad. Come on, Dad. Here. Oh, Maggie says, okay. Dad's okay. Everybody's okay. Good deal. Champy, huh? You okay, babe? Come on. You want to come check him out? Come on, Champ. You can see. Champ, look. You want to see him? Come on. Come on. You want to see? Okay, you can see. See, they're fine. Okay. Mom says okay. I guess they're okay. Okay. Are you going to feed him, Mag? Come on around and feed him. Come on, you go over the table. Come on. Come on, Maggie. You want to get in and feed him? Come on, Mags. Let's feed him. Come on, let's feed him. Okay. Come on. You want to feed him? Okay, good girl. You're the best, Maggie. Huh, Champ? She's the best, huh? Yes, she is. She's going to feed him, huh? She's a good mom, huh? Good. Maggie's a good girl. There's the babies, and there's Mama. Okay, girly, huh? Maggie's a girl. She's such a good girl. Okay, Mags. There's the bomb. We're going to have to put some little bowls of food out for them. Yes, pretty soon, in a few days, huh? Oh my goodness, Maggie. Can you hang, girl? Can you hang, girl, huh? She says, I don't know. This is getting pretty rough. I think I better leave him behind here. Okay, girly, huh? Good girl, Mags. You tried, huh? They're just a little overwhelming right now, huh? You guys are just a little bit overwhelming right now. Huh. Okay. Okay. Mom's gone. You're going to have to settle down. None of you guys are starving to death, okay? You can settle down a little here. Okay? Little rebel rousers, huh? Okay, little rebel rousers. Okay, just settle down. Go sleepy peepee. Okay? Okay. A little bit much for Maggie right now. Maggie's going to say, how are they? Are they okay? They're okay. Okay, they're okay, Mag. You're okay, honey. They are. They're all pretty and sweet. Yes. Okay. They're all safe and sound. I'm watching them. Oops, this little guy wants to get on that bookworm. So, okay. Oh, goodness. I woke them up and moved them, and now they think they're hungry, huh? Oh, Maggie, they might not stop till you feed them, girl. You might not settle down till you feed them. Huh? You going poo-poo, little baby? You need to clean up poo-poo? Looks like it. Okay.